I know y'all super tired of seeing the same background. I'm gonna invest in another one, I promise. I just really love it. I really do. Whatever. Okay, so in today's video, I want to talk about herbs. I get so many questions about that previous video I made when I did like a sea moss fast, and I lost a ton of weight and I felt great. People still to this day commented on those videos and wonder like what I did, how I used it, what was really going on. So I just want to go over what I did, and I hope it helps someone if you're looking to do this now. I'm actually doing a fast today because I woke up with my throat feeling a little itchy. So I figured this fast will kind of knock it out. I'm just doing 24 hours. I'm not doing like a week or anything. Just today, and I already feel better. So it works. So what you want to do is purchase you some Irish moss. I hope you guys can see that. And then you can see how it looks. Pay no attention to my nails. They need to be done. But anyway, you can see how it looks, right? So if you purchase from Mountain Rose Herbs, she also has the powder form. You don't want that. You want this. You want it like this. Okay, right? And it's going to be Irish moss. I know there's a difference between sea moss and Irish moss. We are using Irish moss because this is the one you most likely can purchase. I think you can see it back here, that you most likely can purchase very easily. To me, it gives you great benefits as well. I'm not going to get all into the controversy of the two, but it gives you great benefits. The other thing I like to use is called Self Heal. Back in the day, they called this like the Heal All. I think that's another name for it as well. It's called Heal All. But on Mountain Rose Herbs website, it will be under Self Heal. So I bought the 4 ounce. I did not realize it was so huge, but I'm so glad it is. But this is also very much lightweight, so that's why you would get more. This is only a 1 ounce, and as you can see, it's not too much left. I think when I first got it, it was only up to here, so it's not a lot in the 1 ounce. But I have a ton of Irish moss, so it wasn't a big deal just to get the 1 ounce at the time. So what I do to make my tea, so okay, I'm boiling my water. My water is hot now, just regular plain water. You can use distilled water, you can use spring water, you can use purified water. Water doesn't matter, okay? You can use a faucet water. So you're just boiling your water, right? Your water get hot, you get your cup ready, you got a nice cup, right? And then you have something to hold your tea in. So I got this. It's so cute, right? I got this from, I think, wish.com for like $1. And you just take the top off, right? And you put your herbs inside. There's no actual amount that you need to do. There's no instructions for this, guys. I know y'all looking for instructions. Y'all want me to tell y'all to put in this amount. There isn't any, okay? When I did my fast, and as I still do my fast, I just put in what I want. These herbs aren't going to hurt you. Irish moss is a seaweed, so if you're allergic to like fish and shellfish, I wouldn't recommend you take it unless you speak to someone first. Disclaimer for the whole video, by the way. Do not indulge in these herbs unless you have done your research and you know what you're doing and you really want to take this and you think it'll be beneficial for you. Don't do it just because I'm doing it, okay? So I would just take a little spoon and I would get into my Irish moss, right? So I'll be like, hey, you know, this is enough for me, you know? And for some reason, I always pour my Irish moss in first into my little strawberry here. No particular reason, I just do that. So I got my Irish moss in there, right? And then I do the same thing with my Self Heal. And the reason I use the two together is because Irish moss has a very strong seaweed, fishy taste and smell. And so this really calms it down and you don't taste no fish. Well, I don't taste any fishy, nothing. And the smell is not there either. So I'll take a bigger spoonful of the Self Heal, as y'all can see. And I'll just go ahead and fill up my little strawberry with that. Now, the Self Heal has a lot of little sticks and particles, as you can kind of see in there. So when you put it in your water, So you go ahead and put your little lid back on, right? Your water is still nice and hot. When you go ahead and put it into your water, you will have the self-heal particles kind of coming up to the top, because obviously there's little holes in the strawberry. So the self-heal particles that does not stay in there will come to the top. That doesn't bother me. I just drink it and go on. If it bothers you, you can take a spoon and kind of scoop those little particles out if that bothers you. But that's as simple as it is, guys. And I drink this as often as I like. Like today, I think I had like 8 cups of it. And what I do, so after that 1 cup of tea, so I can kind of conserve or keep my products longer, more water. And I'll just pour it in here and have my 2nd cup. Now after the, like, I think it's usually my 3rd cup, I do that. After my 3rd cup, I'll go ahead and pour this out. By then, you will notice that your sea moss has expanded, so this whole thing will be full. I'll go ahead and empty this out into the trash can and do the same thing again. A little tablespoon of Irish moss, a tablespoon of self-heal, close it up, fresh water, boom. And I have 3 more glasses of that. So that's all I do, guys. I know I probably didn't explain very well back then, so I do apologize for that. But that's all I do. And to be honest, it's really helpful if you want to do a fast on these 2 products. And it definitely helps with foggy brain. It helps with energy levels. It helps curb your appetite. And you just feel overall like satisfied and really good. You start to feel good throughout the day. If you decide to do this as a 24-hour fast or even longer, you will notice weight loss benefits, obviously, because you're not eating anything. You're just drinking your tea only. I would recommend also with your tea, if you're doing this for a fast, to be drinking water, 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 water. Yes, drink your tea, but also make sure you're hydrating your body with water, and good luck. You're going to enjoy the benefits of this. I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you later.